using 4mm hook, yarn number 2. We'll make a slip knot, chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, yarn over, go to the first chain, insert, grab that yarn, pull, 1, 2, 3, grab that yarn and pull through 2, grab that yarn and pull through 2. We have 2 double crochet here, 1 and 2, chain 3 for the next round and turn, increase, 1 double crochet in the first stitch, grab that yarn and pull, grab and pull through 2, grab and pull through 2. One more time in the next stitch, 1 double crochet, insert your hook on the third chain, 1, 2 and 3, insert, grab and pull, 1, 2, 3, grab and pull through 2, grab and pull through 2. So 1, 2, 3 double crochet, chain 3 for the next round, turn. So we have increase here, we don't have increase here, skip the first stitch, go to the next, insert, grab and pull through 2, grab and pull through 2, yarn over, go to the last stitch on the third chain, 1, 2, 3, insert, grab and pull, grab, pull through 2, grab, pull through 2. So one more time in the last stitch, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch in the last stitch, 1, 2, 3, insert, grab and pull, 1, 2, 3, grab, pull through 2, grab, pull through 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet in that round. So chain 3, turn, 1 double crochet in the first stitch, since we have 1 double crochet in the first stitch here, so we're gonna do the same here. Insert your hook in the first stitch, make 1 double crochet, chain 3, count as first double crochet, go to the next, place 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next, 1 double crochet on the third chain, 1, 2 and 3, insert, grab and pull, grab, pull through 2, grab, pull through 2. So we're halfway to go. Chain 3, turn, skip the first stitch, now we're going to decrease, go to the next, 1 double crochet, we're going to decrease but we're not going to decrease here, so insert your hook in the second stitch, skip 1, then go to the next, insert, place 1 double crochet, go to the next, make 1 double crochet, and then in the last 2 stitches we're gonna make this into 1 stitch, yarn over, insert in the next stitch, grab and pull, 1, 2, 3, grab and pull through 2, yarn over, go to the next stitch in the last, which is on the third chain, 1, 2, 3, insert in the last stitch, grab and pull through 2, 1, 2, 3, grab, pull through 3 loops in your hook, pull, that is our first decrease. So chain 3, turn, skip the first stitch, go to the next, insert and decrease, yarn over, go to the next, grab and pull, grab, pull through 2, grab, pull through 3, go to the last stitch 1 2 3. On the third chain, insert, grab and pull, grab, pull through 2, grab, pull through 2. Next round, chain 3, turn, skip the first stitch, go to the next, insert, and pull through 2. We're gonna decrease, yarn over, insert on the third chain, 1 2 3, insert in the last stitch and pull, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. Decrease, that's decrease. So we're always decreasing now. Chain 3, turn. This time we're not gonna decrease. Skip the first, go to the next, which is the last stitch. 1 2 3, insert, 1 double crochet there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rounds of double crochet. That is our half diamond. Then chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. That's it. This is where we increase, decrease. This is where we did not. This is the increase, decrease, and this is where we did not. And now I'm going to show you how to crochet this, a diamond. Once you have a slip knot, make a chain of 4. 1 2 3 and 4. Go to the first chain, insert your hook, yarn over, insert your hook in the first chain, grab that yarn and pull, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That is our double crochet. So first double crochet and second double crochet. So repeat that by making 2 more double crochet in the same stitch. And now chain 3, 1 2 3, turn, 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, 1 2 2 double crochet in the last stitch, which is on the third chain, 1 2 and 3, insert your hook, 1 double crochet there, and in the same chain, insert, make another 1 double crochet. You should have 2 4 6 double crochet in round 2, and in round 1 is 4 double crochet in total. Chain 3 for the next round, which is our third round, and turn, 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches, 1 2 3 4, 2 double crochet on the third chain, 1 2 and 3, 1, and in the same chain, 2. You should have 8 double crochet in total for round 3. Round 4, chain 3, turn, 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 double crochet in each of the next 6 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5, last one, 6. On the third chain, 2 double crochet, 1 2 3, insert your hook, place 2 double crochet, 1, insert your hook in the same stitch, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are increasing this part and we are increasing in this side. That's why they are growing like a V now. So we're gonna decrease in this part here, which goes chain 3, turn, this is round 5 now, skip the first stitch, go to the next, insert, grab and pull, grab, pull through 2, grab, insert in the next stitch, grab and pull, grab, pull through 2 loops in your hook, 1, 2, 3, grab, pull through 3 loops in your hook. So we have 2 stitches here now. So first and then second, 2 stitch into 1 stitch. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 double crochet in each of the next 1 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 2 stitches left. Make it into 1 stitch by making a decrease. Yarn over, insert in the next stitch, grab and pull, grab, pull through 2 loops in your hook, yarn over, insert on the 3rd chain, 1, 2, 3, insert, which is your last stitch, grab and pull, grab, pull through 2, 1, 2, 3, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. That is our first row of decrease. We're going to repeat that one 3 more times, just like here in the previous round, to make it V point in the end. So chain 3, I'm going to repeat what we did here in round 5. So skip, go to the next, and then make a decrease, 2 stitch into 1 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet each. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The last 2 stitches make a decrease, just like in the previous round. 2 stitch into 1 stitch. 2 more round, chain 3, turn, repeating round 5 again. Skip the first stitch, go to the next, 2 stitch into 1 stitch. One double crochet in the next, and decrease again, 2 stitch into 1 stitch, which is our last 2 stitches. That, chain 3, turn, skip the first stitch, go to the next, insert, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat that in the next 2 stitches. Yarn over, insert in the next, grab and pull, grab and pull through 2. Repeat in the last stitch, yarn over, go to the on the 3rd chain, 1, 2, 3, insert, grab and pull, grab, pull through 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 loops in your hook, grab, pull through all, and it formed into diamond. Chain 3, chain 1, sorry, and then pull, cut. I'll show you how to make a half diamond. Make a slip knot to begin. chain 4, chain 4. We're going to repeat just the first round all the way to 4th round. So now this is going to be our first. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then once you're done, you just chain 1, pull tight, and cut the yarn. So to secure the stitch, insert your hook in the same stitch here in the lock. To secure the remaining stitches, insert your hook in the first stitch next to this one, and then divide this in half, this yarn, if it's possible in the yarn you are using, and then grab the other half and pull, and then that way make a few knots easy. 1, 2, 3, then put this together, insert your hook in the same stitch, grab and pull all, and pull tight. So if you're satisfied, you can cut the yarn there already, but I'm not gonna cut this yet because I'm gonna use this for the pullover that I am doing, as well as this one here, and this one I'm gonna use this to secure later.